Chris Lavin from Xtreme Polishing Systems, and we are here at the national headquarters for Xtreme Polishing Systems in Deerfield Beach, Florida, on a not so sunny day. It was actually cold. It was 62 degrees when we woke up this morning. We didn't quite know what to do. But figuring that we have all these new machines that came in, the one thing that I had to do today was get on the screen here and show you guys some of the exciting things that we're going to be premiering at the World of Concrete this year. And I also want to introduce a new member of the Genie family that has come in from Lissy, Texas, and it's Tim Gertzen. Tim, come on over here and shake my hand, and welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Tim was probably like a lot of you guys and gals that are out there right now in YouTube land, searching for the ultimate grinding machine, which is what you were.
Exactly right, that's right. Something I could start a business with.
Tell everybody how you came about, like where you're at today.
Where I'm at today, I had polished concrete done in my house, and I liked the beauty of the floor, and I decided to start my own business with a buddy of mine who's a home builder, and we started looking into different systems, and I was calling around to different contractors, seeing what worked best, and I got actually referred to Xtreme Polishing Systems by another guy in the business who told me that they had the best diamonds, and they had the best service, and they had the machines that were easiest to use. So I called up here, saw an offer to come down and learn and train with the guys, and
What offer did you see?
I saw it was an offer to come down, train for a week with the guys, $1,500, or it comes off the price of the equipment if you buy up to
30 days.
Yeah, so
you have 30 days to buy our equipment, and you get that whole $1,500. You come down and spend. You're spending a whole week having a blast, is what you're doing. Have you had fun so far?
Oh yeah. Seen some awesome stuff.
Okay.
Awesome stuff.
And we're a bunch of lunatics.
Yeah, there's no doubt. No doubt about that.
So,
it's like a different country than Texas.
It is. It's South Florida, by the way, and if it's cold where you're at, airfares are inexpensive, and you need to come down.
Yeah, for sure. You got lots of knowledge here. Lots of knowledge to be tapped.
Yep. So this is our newest addition to the family here. Besides Tim, is our 650 SI. For those of you that want to know the nomenclature, this is our model number. It's part of the Genie family, and it's a planetary machine, and it's gear driven. It's a gear driven planetary machine. It's got 3 heads on it. It's going to hold 9 diamonds. Okay. I want to take you through some of the features on the machine, and then we're going to run it so you can see how well it works. Okay. 650 basically means this is a 27-inch single phase 220 machine that you are going to be able to hook up residentially to a 30 amp breaker. Okay. We've made the plates to come real close to the very end of the machine, so you don't have to worry about doing all the edge work. This is going to get you about a 1/4 inch to the edges, and it is a round machine, so it really doesn't replace like the Genie, the ultimate Genie, which is the 2-headed counter-rotating Genie. That's an edge machine, prep machine, and polishing machine all in one. This will do prep work. It's not going to do quite as close to the edges, and it'll definitely do polishing, because this is a planetary machine, and the planetary machines are really known for polishing. I've got our Green Giant Traps 30 grit segs, and I have this particular model in, and we have a 550 that came in also, which is a 22-inch machine, which you see right here. Okay, these machines, the 550 has a 7.5 horsepower motor, and this 650 SI has a 10 horsepower motor on it. Okay, it's very, I'd say when you grab this machine, I'd say it's ergonomic. When I say that, I mean it's well balanced. It's very easy to maneuver around no matter how big you are. I got Mr. Keith Lee here, the professor of polishing. It's going to be maneuvering this machine around and start to do some cutting with it, okay? But it's very easy to put down. This machine here weighs 650 pounds. As you can tell, it's got a dual dust exhaust, okay? So you have your one pipe here, over here, come to here, and you're going to hook your hose into here. You have this machine has a light. We're going to turn on the machine right now. Turn on the light. See that light? It's magnetic. It's magnetic. Look it's magnetic. It's tough to get off. Okay, there you go. But the magnet will stick to just anything that's metal. So if you want to maneuver the light around, if you're in a closet, if you're in a dark area, a workspace where they don't have lighting yet, This is definitely a nice addition to have for your machine. You have your water tank. Your water control valve is right over here. This tank holds 16 gallons of water. You're gonna have your typical Genie. Once again, if you have a really big guy, he's gonna be able to be up here. If you got the smaller guys, you like it down here, okay? Typical on-off switches are right here. You have your emergency stop button, and these are your RPM controls. Super easy machine to work, gear driven. There's no belts that you're gonna have to worry about breaking down, where this is gonna be in the shop and you're trying to figure out how you're gonna get a belt. It comes with a weight. Moses, we have a,
Weight?
how much is that weight? If
80
you're,
pounds.
how many pounds?
80.
80 pounds. Okay, that's a big weight. So Moses is a big guy here. He's gonna put that weight on. The whole machine with the weight weighs 730 pounds is how much the machine weighs. We're gonna start the machine. It's super smooth. This here is where you're gonna put your cord. A lot of people get their cords all messed up. This keeps it away from the machine. So you just gotta worry about the hose. Many people like to put the hose over their back like that, okay? Just to keep it out of the way. Anyways, we're gonna fire it up and we're gonna let it cut. We got 30 grit metals on here, and just watch how beautiful this machine hums.
It's like you're not even moving it. Doing all the work.
Now what we're gonna do here, because these magnetic plates are a sensation throughout the whole industry. Everybody wants Xtreme Polishing Systems magnetic plates. It's what put us on the map. We retrofit any machine on the market, whether you have a Lavina machine, a Turco machine, a PrepMaster machine, an HTC, a CPS. It does not matter what machine you have, we make the magnetic plate for it, okay? Edco. If you have some odd machine, I did a guy the other day had a machine, a marble guy from Italy, and I made him a plate for his machine. So plates are a specialty. It's a dual cavity plate, so you can put either a 3-inch round or you can put the trapezoids. We have Tim that is going to be our volunteer here today.
Never done it before, ever.
He's never done it before. He's going to live by that, okay? So he has never changed a plate. We are going to time Tim, okay, on how long it takes him to change. Right here, this is the watch, okay? So I'm going to do an on your mark, get set, go. If you break, here's what you do, okay? If you can break 60 seconds.
Oh, to put them all on?
60 seconds,
Okay.
to take them all off and put them all on, which I believe you can, okay?
Okay.
If you can break 60 seconds, I'm going to give you $100 cash.
And a Genie for free.
You're going to get $100. On your marks, get set, go. You sure you've never done this before, Tim?
Never done this before.
All right. You work in an auto mechanic store? Did you change tires before?
I have changed tires.
You have, okay.
Tractor tires.
You better hurry it up, buddy. You're getting
Tractor
close.
tires.
Tell me when you're done.
Done.
Tell me what the time is.
48.7 seconds.
48.7 seconds, Tim. You won $100. Woo!
That's what I'm talking about.
You're gonna get me for $100.
And this man's good on his word. Look at that.
There you go. Congratulations, Dan. That just shows how easy these magnetic plates are and why people want them, okay? We have never, ever, in our entire existence of the magnetic plates now, which has been for 4 years or 4.5 years, had one failure with the magnetic plate system, okay? There's other people's plates out there that have tried to mimic our plates. They don't know what the secret is. I do not share that secret. Okay, this is proprietary information. It's trademark, patent pending. That's why we are Xtreme, okay? There's a man that's never changed a set of tooling before, did it in 48 seconds, okay? So you can see the value of having these plates now.
It was easy.
When you can change tooling like that, right? And you were doubting it, you could change it in a minute.
I didn't know. I did not. I thought you were pulling my chain, man.
That's good. All right, well, that's good, man. You hit it right on. So now we're going to go with the 70s, and we're going to polish this whole stoop here in less than an hour. This is the new Tweenie Genie. It's the 650 SI. There's not a nicer machine on the market for the price. This machine retails for $11,995, and as you can tell, it comes with a light, so you can see what you're doing. Here, he has finally completed his first 120 square feet of polished concrete, and he used the Tweenie Genie, which is our new 27-inch machine. This machine sells for $11,995. It's available on our website at xtremepolishingsystems.com, or you can call the number below that's on the bottom of your screen here. You can talk to one of the guys here at the shop here, and we'll be more than happy to help you and ask any or answer any questions you may have about it. But tell me what your thoughts were about using the machine.
Man, the pad changing was easy. The metal bond diamond changing was easy. At 48 seconds. I mean, changing out the metal bond diamond. So
quick $100 bill too.
Yeah, quick $100 bill. That's right. That's right. It was a simple, easy to maneuver, very easy to maneuver, and I tipped it over and changed everything by myself. Didn't need another guy to help me move anything around. So.
Right. We did it in an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Hour and a half with densifying.
Brand new guy though.
Right.
Brand new.
Yeah, no, I'm not taking anything away from what you did.
Yeah.
I mean, you did a wonderful job, and I'm giving you an A. I'm grading you an A. And by the way, Mr. Bill Von Easton, if you're out there watching this from Canada, okay, he saw the video that you were in, okay?
That's right.
And I had to tell you that, you know, even though he is half your age, you still are right up there in the top, okay? You're in the top. So anyways, once again, it's polishing concrete. It's not rocket science, okay? A lot of people try and make a mountain out of a molehill. I try and tell them, I say, listen, it's just it's a step process. You got to be patient. You know what I'm saying? Would you say that's a fair assumption?
Yeah, patience. It doesn't take a genius. It just takes patience. It's easy, but you just need to be patient.
Right.
Exactly right.
But anyways, thanks again for coming down. We're going to go down to Lululemon tomorrow, where we're doing a large job down there of a cement overlay, and we're going to be polishing up some overlayment material from Mapei Ultra Top in gray and white that we've broadcast screws and nails and everything into.
Glass.
And glass. And we're going to show you guys how to do pick grout tomorrow for all the little areas that you see on this floor here, where it's maybe not as shiny as it should be because we did not pick grout this floor. Okay, so you always want to fill in those little voids because that affects your gloss meter at the end of the day. Anyways, thanks for joining us on the Xtreme Polishing System channel. Shop with confidence. Remember, we have price match guarantee. We have a 100% money back guarantee, so anytime you ever buy a product from Xtreme Polishing Systems, you are fully under warranty. So that kind of lets you shop with
confidence.
with
like
confidence.
You said.
Yeah, for sure.
Exactly
So,
right.
anyways, pick up the phone, give us a call, have yourself a great day, and stay healthy. Thanks again.
Thank you, Chris.
Bye, buddy.